Hi everyone, in today's easy tutorial I'm going to show you how to invite a Midjourney bot to your server on Discord. Welcome to the channel. Let's dive into it. As you know, working on a public server can be a little bit chaotic, but luckily you can invite Midjourney bot to your private server. To do that, you need to create a server first. Open up your Discord homepage. Go to the left side menu and click on this plus icon and then select create my own. Then here click on for me and my friends. Then write down a server name. It can be anything you want. Let's say Midjourney tutorial. You can upload a picture if you want for your server and then click on create. So you successfully create a server. In order to invite the Midjourney bot, click on this Midjourney server and select any of these newbie rooms. Let's select this one, and here found the Midjourney bot and click on its profile picture. Then click on add to server, and here select a server that you want to add the bot. And then click on continue, click on authorize, click on this box. Let's close this tab, go on to your server and then type imagine and hit enter. Let's say kiwi bird made of real kiwi and hit enter. And that's how to add a Midjourney bot to your private server. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others this video as well. Thank you for watching.